Hello guys, our course today is going to be about iPhone 7 Plus. Can be turned on but cannot be recognized by computer repair. First, run cosmetic inspection of the logic board. The logic board is not deformed or water damaged. Let's assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and the display assembly installed. Connect the battery and press the power button. The phone turns on normally. Connect the phone to the computer. The phone cannot be recognized by the computer. Observe the logic board under the microscope. We can see that there is bridging nearby the charging port connector. And the charging port connector is deformed. Judging by this, the not recognized by computer problem is probably caused by bridging of the charging port connector, which is caused by unskilled operation during inductor soldering. So we need to replace with a new charging port connector. Stick high temperature tape on components around first. Then apply some paste flux to the charging port connector. Heat with the 861D helical wind hot air gun at 365C, airflow 29. 15 seconds later, detach the charging port connector from the board. Apply some medium temperature solder paste to its bonding pad. Heat with a soldering iron at 360C. Make sure all pins on the pad have been tinned with solder paste. Then clamp a capacitor with tweezers. Spread solder paste on the pad evenly with the capacitor. This is to make sure that pins can be tinned fully and evenly. Continue to dip some rosin with the solder wick. And clean bonding pads at the two ends of the connector. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Now we can move on to the soldering work. Apply some paste flux to the bonding pad. Get a new charging port connector in position. Solder with the 861D helical wind hot air gun at 365C, airflow 29. Also when soldering, push the connector back and forth with tweezers. This is to make sure that all pins can be tinned with solder paste. Once done, check pins with tweezers one by one. Make sure all pins have been soldered perfectly. Continue to apply solder paste to securing pins at the two ends. Solder with the 861D helical wind hot air gun at 365C, airflow 29. Once done, wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Tips: after soldering, please check components around carefully. If there is bridging, deal with it immediately. Now we can assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and the display assembly installed. Get the battery connected. Press the power button to turn on the phone. The phone turns on normally. Connect the phone to the computer. The phone can be recognized by the computer this time. Fault cleared. Warm tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 7 Plus can be turned on but cannot be recognized by computer issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 7 Plus can be turned on but cannot be recognized by computer repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rewattechnology.com. See you next course.